Good morning. Welcome to Finance Investment by Ms. Trinh Nguyễn, CFA Charter Holder and Master of Economics in Banking and Finance. Today, I would like to share the new video of Selection Plastics Stock BMP listed on Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange. BMP shares is currently low value at 6.9 times trailing PE with high dividend yield of 9.7%. BMP is a leading plastics company with market share of 30%. The share price has compounding annual growth rate of 30% since end 2019 to now. Please select the button subscribe under my video, like and share for the latest video in coming time. I also have more motivation to make further interesting and useful products. Thank you. Today's discussion has contained industry analysis, BMP profile, SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity, threat, and final content is financials. About industry analysis, there are 3,000 plastics companies, of which small and medium enterprises are 90%, and construction plastics like BMP account for 24%. As you can see in the chart, a sales structure of plastic industry in 2022, the total revenue of the industry was $25 billion USD, increasing 6% versus 2021. Packaging plastic revenue 8.8 billion USD, household plastic 5.8 billion USD, and construction plastics took the third position with 5.3 billion USD, accounting for 21% of total plastics industry. A strong point, the volume of construction plastics is estimated to annual growth by 8.4% in 2022 to 2027 as the solid foundation for coming growth in earnings for BMP. About the export markets in 2022, USA was the largest export market of plastics from Vietnam with 1.56 billion USD, then Japan 0.51 billion USD, Korea 0.121 billion USD. The growth catalyst of plastic industry analysis is the recovery of real estate industry and increase of public investment, like recent adjustment of policy. Vietnam still has low urbanization rate, and value-added tax decreased from 10% to 8%. The policy from the government with higher weight by construction and technical plastics and lower proportion for packaged and household plastics. So BMP has good points to grow in coming time. About BMP profile, BMP Bình Minh Plastic Joint Stock Company listed on Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange, ticker BMP, was established in 1977, equitized in 2004, and has listed on Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange since 2006. Strategic purpose of BMP, they aim at leading position in market of plastics by also meeting requirements of nations in the region. The company plans to have efficient management of supply chain, like initiative in purchase, optimal operation, and focus on customers as the strong, solid background for sustainable growth in future. Shareholders of BMP are Nagua Plastic Thailand with 54.5%, KWE Bethai Gungan 10.8%. Since 2017, BMP's room for foreign investors has been 100%. Strategy of BMP in the period 2023-2027 are increase market share, expand both in domestic and foreign markets. They plan to catch opportunities of infrastructure investment in provinces. Also, production capacity is raised and automation is boosted. With the chance of advances in technology, BMP will focus on new product portfolio and spending budget on research and development. Products of BMP, as the picture shows here, they sell plastic pipes to water supplying and construction companies. The products are PVC pipes and fittings for irrigation, HDPE pipes and fittings, PPR pipes and fittings, other products like water sprayers. And the key element in competition strategy by BMP are durable and high quality products. About factory and distribution of Bình Minh Plastics, they have 4 factories in Ho Chi Minh City, Bình Dương, Long An, and Hưng Yên. Total capacity 150,000 tons of products per year. Long An factory produces 28,000 tons per year, and capacity utilization just 70% in the area of 10 hectares with 3 production chains and 1 warehouse. So BMP still have premise of 6 hectares to rise capacity at low cost in coming time. Distribution, BMP has 1,950 stores nationwide, and they also participate into key national projects. Capacity, as mentioned, they had total capacity 150,000 products per year. Bình Dương factory has highest capacity with 60,000 tons of PVCO and 15,000 tons of HDPE PPR. Hưng Yên 30,000 and 10,000 correspondingly. Long An factory has capacity 25,000 tons of PVCO. Ho Chi Minh City 5,000 tons of PVCO. About SWOT analysis, strength of BMP. BMP has leading brand name and quality, and they can meet highest requirements from the customers. They has managed efficient supply chain from input to selling with distributors. As BMP has high quality products and reputable brand name, they can sell at good pricing. BMP has boosted automation in production to save the cost and strongly compete with other players in the industry. They have had continuous improvements for increasing operation efficiency and pushing profit growth. Weakness of BMP impacts by price volatility of PVC materials. And in the northern market of Vietnam, the position of BMP is still not yet strong. Opportunity for Bình Minh Plastics, like policies from the government to boost public investment, support the recovery of real estate and construction industries. As mentioned, BMP in the industry with stable growth of plastic products, volume growth over 8% in coming time. And BMP has advantages of quality and brand name. Threat is competition by newcomers. And due to the volatility of raw materials like PVC, it is challenging to manage inventories. About financials, here I show the chart of relation between PVC price and gross margin of BMP in period 2019 to first half 2023. In the first half 2021 and second half 2021, the PVC price high at Chinese yuan per ton at around 8,500 and 9,700. Gross margin of BMP low at 15.1% and 15.7%. And recently, in first half 2023, when the PVC price just around 6,000 yuan per ton, BMP had high gross margin at 40.6% by the peak. Also, BMP has advantages of importing raw materials from SCG Thailand. They also have structure of raw materials buying with 30% from domestic market and 70% imports. In the future, BMP can buy PVC of Đức Giang Nghi Sơn listed on Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange ticker DGC, so they have more initiative and flexibility in raw material management. Competition. Here I show 2 key players in the plastic industry, BMP Bình Minh Plastics and NTP ticker listed on Hanoi Exchange Tiền Phong Plastics. So BMP has higher profit growth, compounding annual growth rate of profit after tax period 2019-2022 of BMP 17.9%, much higher than NTP at 5.5%. And gross profit margin of BMP in 2022 was 27.7%, higher than NTP at 24.5%. Market share of BMP, they have market share of 50% in the south, but just 5% in the north, while in this region, NTP has market share of 60%. In the nation, they have the similar market share of 30%. Capacity of NTP higher at 190,000 tons per year, while BMP just 150,000 tons per year. Factory of BMP in Ho Chi Minh City, Bình Dương, Long An, all in the south, and Hưng Yên in the north, while NTP has factories in Hải Phòng in the north, Nghệ An in the central, Bình Dương in the south. BMP has a distribution with 1,950 stores, while NTP has 9 distribution centers and 16,000 selling points. BMP has strong financial results in 2022 and 9 months 2023. In 2022, revenue around 5.8 trillion VND, increasing 28% year-over-year, and profit after tax 694 billion VND, increased 224%. Updating 9 months 2023, sales grew around 3.7 trillion VND, declining 9% year-over-year. However, profit after tax increased 57% year-over-year to 784 billion VND. The main reason was low raw material pricing. In third quarter 2023, demand for construction materials decreased 50% and in rainy season. However, BMP has managed to increase profit after tax by 19% despite the decline of 38% in revenue. We note that the price of main raw materials decreased in first 9 months in 2023. A strong point of BMP, profit margins are high and relatively stable. Just in 2021, when the raw material price was high, they had low gross margin at 15.5%. Other years, gross margin over 25%. In 2022, net margin around 11.9% because the company had low cost of goods sold and low interest expenses with low leverage. In the balance sheet, inventories at around 600 billion VND in 2022. As mentioned, the company had low leverage, equity divided by total debt at 47.7 times in 2022. And BMP had high ROE equal to profit after tax divided by equity at 28%. Cash flow. BMP has managed to have strong operating cash flow in 2022 at around 800 billion VND. As they already expanded capacity, so the expanded capacity in coming time is low cost. Purchase of fixed asset cash flow CapEx in 2022 just 70 billion VND outflows. And the cash flow of BMP mainly outflows for dividend payment in 2022 at 467 billion VND. The financial stock market. So here I calculate the trailing EPS, earnings per share, divided by trailing profit after tax by the number of outstanding shares. The trailing profit after tax equal to 9 months 2023 profit after tax plus 4 quarter 2022 profit after tax. So trailing EPS around 12,000 VND and trailing PE price divided by earnings per share 6.9 times. Book value per share around 36,000 VND. So the 9 months PB 2.4 times. While BMP pay cash dividend around 8,400 VND, so dividend yield 9.7%. So BMP deserves investment consideration with very attractive valuation and high dividend yield, higher than the deposit rate at the banks. BMP share price grew annually 30% from the adjusted price of 32,000 VND per share and 2019 to the current level of 86,500 VND per share. And investors also have income and cash flow from yearly cash dividend. I end my discussion here. I think that you have more initiative and more flexibility with the wide range of stocks that I discussed in videos. Please subscribe, share, and like the videos for my motivation in coming time to introduce new products. Thank you.